Just doing a quick review on percentages before we get into our financial maths topic. So, from way back, we learned about how percentage means out of 100, and we can convert between fractions, decimals, and percentages once we know the way to do it. So, for this one, we're converting from a decimal to a percentage. So, the rule that I like is if we've got a decimal, we multiply by 100. So 0.17 times 100 happens to be 17%. When we're going from a fraction to a percentage, what I recommend doing first is changing our denominator to 100. So going from 5 times something equals 100, that something happens to be 20. So we're going to multiply top and bottom by 20. We end up with 2 times 20, which is 40 out of 100. And we can write 40 out of 100 as 40%. We can go from decimals to percentage. We can go from percentages to decimals. So 71%. We want to go back before we multiplied. This time we're going to divide by 100. So we end up with 0.71 as our decimal. Converting from a fraction to from a percentage to a fraction, well, we do exactly the same thing. Our fraction, remember, is out of 100. We've got 25 out of 100, and we can simplify that further just by knowing that there's dividing them both by 25. We have one lot of 25 in 25 and 4 lots of 25 in 100. The last thing we're going to do today, we're going to find the percentage of a quantity. So in this one, we need to find 10%. Now, most calculators don't have 10% as one of the functions you can do. So we're going to do it a little bit differently. We're going to change it to a decimal. So 10% divided by 100 gives us 0.10. And to work out 10% of this, we're going to times it by 0.10. And what we're going to end up with is we're going to end up with 75 cents being our quantity. And that's how we do a percentage of a quantity. Have a good day.